So today I have an exciting topic for you, and we are going to cover the strategies for landing a project manager job. The first strategy, and one of the most important strategies, is to showcase your experience and your skills. Guys, you need to treat your project management story like a movie where you are the main character. You first want to dive into the narrative of your accomplishments and share your story on how you transform chaos into unity, okay? Your resume and your online profiles, that is your chance to make a first great impression. The second thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and describe the specific challenges that you encountered. Did you have some kind of communication breakdown? Did you have a tight deadline? Did you have any kind of budget constraints? So yeah, you need to show your problem-solving skills that were in action. The third thing that I recommend you do is to focus on the key actions that you took to overcome the challenges and highlight any specific project management skills that were used. For example, did you use communication or resource allocation or risk management? The fourth thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and highlight the success that was achieved. You want to go ahead and describe the positive outcomes of your actions and use metrics to showcase the impact. Was it increased efficiency, reduced cost, improved client satisfaction? Number 5 on my list has to do with lessons learned. You want to briefly summarize the key takeaways from the project, right? Show your ability to learn and adapt. The next strategy on my list is build your network. Y'all, this is a big one, and this one here actually reminds me of my mentor who often says your network is your net worth. Woo! Put an exclamation point, bam, and take note. I highly encourage you to attend industry events, whether they're online or in person. Also, I encourage you to join any kind of online forums and just be active on social media platforms that are related to project management. The next strategy on my list is continuous learning and adaptability. Why? Because in the world of project management, it is constantly evolving, which means we need to stay sharp and we need to be nimble to embrace the continuous learning. Take advantage of those online courses, attend those webinars, and get into those conferences. The last strategy I have on my list is prepare to ace the interview. Preparation is key. You want to make sure that you research those project management interview questions, okay? You want to practice those responses beforehand. I like to get in front of the mirror and I like to actually see myself respond, okay? Thank you so much for joining today's lesson. I hope this information was informative, and until next time, happy learning.